that and click get a call, that will basically pull the first contact through onto the thing. So normally we'd call them, this is actually pulled through the default e-commerce shopper first, so I'll cancel that call and I'll get the next one, which is for boredom free toys. So you can see there the script, so in front of the person who's phoning, they've got the script on what exactly you might want them to say or what exactly you want them to ask about. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to say that we got through for this one, so there's no action on that, we didn't need to do anything. We'll get the next call, and this basically goes down the next one on the list. So if there's multiple people in there getting these calls, then they'll get the next one, the next person will get the next one. It's just a way of rolling through all of them and make sure one person doesn't call the same people. So if for instance we called them and they said, can you call us back, we can create a call back in here. So we'll create a call back after, I don't know, 2 days, and that will just go into our callback into our calendar on the callback screen as usual. If I just go and have a look at one of the customers who have been involved in this wave, so if I go into the play area and go to wave activity, we can also see that this customer and this contact has been involved with this wave, so we can see exactly what we've contacted them about in the past. It's quite useful for looking historically at what exactly we've tried to sell them or what we've called them about. Okay, what I'm now going to do is come out of my call campaign, and I'm going to go and create another campaign wave from the same campaign. So we're still using our new toy campaign, but we can have multiple waves from that, emails and calls, and maybe we're going to fax them something as well. So what I'm now going to do is call this email wave. Okay, and I'm going to leave that type as email. So once again, I'm going to pull in my target list of my UK customers again. So as before, I'm going to go into target list and I'm going to make sure they're all included. Okay, and the other thing that I can then do, because I've got email as the type, I've got a compose email tab in here. So basically I can put a subject in there with whatever I want to put in, new toy promotion. Okay, I could also put attachments, maybe we want to send them a new brochure with our new toys in or something like that. But what we can also do is use templates. I just open this screen up full. We've got templates on the right hand side. If I just pin that on and click the refresh button, I've got a couple of templates in there. I'll just click the acknowledgement of customer praise in there. If I double click that, okay, it then puts a bit of text in from our template. Dear customer, thank you for your letter, etc. So what we can then do is use that template to send our emails. So if we're happy with our template and I click send email, ask me what email account I want to send for. Admin's fine. It'll try and connect to the server. So I'm just going to leave it try to connect. It won't get there because the details I put in weren't correct. My firewall's trying to block it as well. Okay, so then it comes up and says unable to establish connection to the server. Do you want to continue saving to the outbox? Yes, I do, because I want to have a look at what exactly it's doing so that we can see what will happen. Okay, so that's done that. So if I go back in the target list, you'll notice that it says that it sent the email to them. Now, default e-commerce customer didn't have an email address, so it doesn't flag that. It can only obviously email to ones that have got an email address in there. So if I come out of this screen and then go into my mail client, what I should see in the outbox is all my emails. If I double click one, it's done the merge on the field there, and obviously put the rest of the text in. And if I had a valid email account set up in Enterprise, it would actually send all them out for us. That concludes CRM transactions. Next we'll be doing customer transactions in the next video.